Hello viewers, I'm Rashmi Malapur Jaswal and welcome to the show on mental health. Today we have a special guest, Mr. P.T. Sundaram, and he works in the area of relationship and he guides people on relationship issues. He's an NLP trainer as well. Welcome, Mr. Sundaram. How are you?
Thank you, Rashmi ji. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Thanks a lot for giving this opportunity. And you are the few persons who immediately responded for my request. Thanks a lot. I know there is a reason for that. Your own life is guiding you. My own life is guiding me. Thank you. It's a God-made syllabus. Very happy to meet persons like you.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Welcome.
to be on our show and agree to talk to my audience about how mental health is affected by relationships in our life. So my first question is how relationship make or mar our mental and emotional health. How do they affect our mental and emotional health?
Yeah. It is not the relationship is mentally marring it. The how we handle relationship makes a difference. Because you have seen Rashmi ji, you have seen that there is a now there's a particular point in the time throughout the lifetime where you see the three or four generations are together. That I would call them the TV generation, the radio generation, the internet generation, and the Android generation. See, they are simultaneously existing and they have got different values. The radio generation has got hard work as a value, and the video generation has got only the visibility as a value. And Android generation for him, app is the value. First, for anything, he goes and presses app. So different values are there. That is the reason their outlooks are different, their paradigms are different, thinking is different, and that is the reason the gap is coming. One of the first thing I would call a relationship. We should define what is a relationship. Everybody is having his own concept of relationship. Relationship means your mother is there and my mother is there. Mothers has done unconditional. They didn't expect anything in return. Okay, that is what is a relationship. First one is don't expect anything from others. If you do with that particular focus, then only the relationship bond will come. If you are expecting with a condition, मैं आपको करूँगा, आप मुझे करेंगे, आप नहीं आए, when I expect with a condition, I get an emotional pain. That is where relationship is going on. So when I was working at a corporate, just give a small example. I had a different cabin. Okay, that sweeper used to come. 4-5 sweeper लोग आते. Then one sweeper, I was around 2 days old. Sir, I want some 500 rupees. So मैं बोला, I don't know because new to me how they are, whether I give it. If I give it, I may not get it. I do not know. If I don't give it, she will not swipe and she will not listen in front of me. This is a psychological situation, embarrassing situation. Then I did my homework with the friends in the afternoon. कि भाई आपको पैसा देगा तो नहीं आएगा. She's such a lady that she will take it, she will not come. अभी मैं क्या करूं? कितना चाहिए? 500. तो मैंने स्ट्रेटेजी बनाया. मैं 200 दूंगा. नहीं साहब मेरे कैसा करना? You know so many people who are senior to you. मैं आके तो 2 दिन हुआ. आपको मैं कैसे वैसा करूं? When other people doesn't trust you for 300, how can I trust you for this amount, 500 rupees? नहीं साहब आप दे दीजिए मैं देख लूंगा. So that 200 rupees मैंने दे दिया. ठीक है बोला कि देखो मैडम जी आपके बारे में मुझे पता नहीं है. Okay, I don't know much about it. कब रिटर्न करेंगे? सर सैलरी आते रिटर्न कर दो. सो फर्स्ट को आ रहा है ना, मैं नहीं पूछूंगा आपको, मैं आपको नहीं पूछूंगा. सैलरी डे फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग 10 o'clock मेरे. अगर ना देंगे ना, प्लीज डोंट आस्क मी इन माई लाइफ टाइम. तो मैंने ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि आई एम गिविंग 200 रुपीज एज चैरिटी. अगर वही 200 रुपीज सपोज आई कंडीशनल रहूंगा तो वेन एवर आई लुक एट हर पेन इन माई लाइफ, अरे यार क्या कर रही है, दे तुम एवरी मंथ आई एम क्रिएटिंग ए पेन फॉर माई सेल्फ. So always see the relationship unconditional. If you are conditional, then automatically expectations will go high. Then after all the relationship problems will come. In relationship, is always say the relationship is nothing but like a bank deposit. अभी आपने रश्मि जी आपके let me ask you a question. आपके यहाँ आपके बैंक में 1 lakh rupees you have deposited in the bank. Suppose you're drawing 3 lakhs. कंपनी देगा क्या आपको? बैंक देगा क्या आपको? नहीं देगा. इट इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. मैंने आपके यहाँ 1000 रुपए, आपके दिल में 1000 रुपए का नोट मैंने जमा कर दिया है टू माई एक्टिविटीज. तो मैं 1000 ही मिलेगा, उससे आगे ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगा मुझे. And who is going to put that first? If whoever put the first, he will get the benefit. I mean a relationship deposit. It's like a bank. Relationship is like a bank. I mean, simplest deposit. I'm not some money. Simplest emotional deposit is, hi madam, how are you? Hello, how are you? आपके friend के साथ. Good morning. Sorry. अरे यार, I felt for you. I'm not asking you to act, but please communicate. This is the first deposit. I mean, every time you are going on the way coming, somebody is every time is giving you a salute. Will you not feel, अरे ये क्यों salute कर रहा है मुझे? कोई नमस्ते नमस्ते बोल, मैडम जी नमस्ते नमस्ते बोल रहा है. You feel for him, अरे क्या कर रहा है? Of course you do a homework, you analyze, but that is where the deposit starts. So if you are not depositing, good. Because I was doing a program in JR TV about a decade ago. One mother-in-law talked to me. Sir, my daughter-in-law साहब वो respect नहीं करती है मुझे और डांटती है वो she's going to job and she's that days. I told madam, आपका तो मेरे यहाँ solution नहीं है because it is over a video you are calling me. But एक टिप दूंगा आपको. This is a relation deposit. आपके बहू को क्या चाहिए आप पहले कीजिए before she asks. आपके बहू पहले कीजिए. So it's not, and if your bahu is there, I will tell the same thing. Whoever does first without expectations, वो result आएगा. When you cannot define your own relationship, what is relationship का definition ही नहीं मालूम. तो you think whatever I am doing is साहब मैंने इतना उसके लिए किया, इतना किया, but has he understood that इतना? जब वो समझे नहीं है तो you are done with it. Like a blind, you are talking to a person who is deaf. आपने वीडियो उसको लगा दिया, वो डेफ है, ये ब्लाइंड है, लगा दिया, क्या देखो क्या पिक्चर चल रहा है, कैसा अच्छा है, गाना अच्छा है, अरे ही इज ऑलरेडी डेफ, ही इज ऑलरेडी विजुअली ब्लाइंड. दैट इज वेयर आई वुड सजेस्ट रिलेशनशिप इज अ डिपॉजिट. द मोर यू डिपॉजिट द मोर यू गेट.
Here, while speaking, does it mean that you should know the expectation of the opposite person and try to fulfill that expectation?
अगर आप एक्सपेक्टेशन के अंदर still you are doing a sort of a business type of thing. Okay, वो बिजनेस क्या है, डिमांड क्या है मार्केट में, इसका डिमांड है, चलो ये बेच देंगे. I'm not asking you to explain. I'm telling you first you let the other person feel that yes, this is a person whom I can trust.
Okay, I got your point. Yeah, I got it.
If the trust अगर नहीं आएगा तो whatever you do, see, even if you do for me, I will say hidden agenda. मैडम क्यों कर रही है? Why she is doing? Nobody is doing. Why she is doing? इसका मतलब क्या है? She is expecting so. I mean, मेरा mind will start working on that.
So trust
And
and communication are two vital factors of a relationship.
yes. Communication is the worst vital factor. Communication according to the person who receives the service, not according to the person who gives the service. What goes on in the mind? See, आप तो आपके माइंड से सुनेंगे, मैं मेरे माइंड से सुनेंगे. मेरे माइंड में क्या फॉर्मेट है? मेरे मदर फॉर्मेट है, मेरे I come from a wrong, I'll be thinking with that answer only. So these are all the factors. The more you deposit, you can expect. If you are not depositing relationship, it is very wrong to expect.
Here, would you like to talk a bit more about your work in the area of relationship counseling and guiding people on relationships?
Yes, madam. See, point here, first of all, let me tell you how I came into this. I'm a married couples relationship expert. My target is 0 to 5 years of married life. Not above, because in the 0 to 5 years married life, में क्या हो रहा है? Morning marriage, evening divorce. This is the type of I see innocent youngsters, Android generation who are victim to this particular. So there are many people to guide after 5 years. After 5 years में क्या होता है? You know differences will get, you will go ahead. ऑप्शन नहीं है, मजबूरी है, बिकॉज ऑफ मैरिज हो गया, आई कैन नॉट से नो टू मम्मी, आई बैडली नीड मनी, कुछ ना कुछ रीजन है, यू कीप ऑन गोइंग इट. बट दिस 0 to 5 years और द क्रैकिंग पीरियड इज द फाउंडेशन ऑफ द सोसाइटी, जहाँ क्रैक हो रहा है. आई वांट टू ऐड वैल्यू टू द सोसाइटी. इसकी एक रीजन है मैडम जी कि मेरी मदर वी आर फ्रॉम साउथ, डीप डाउन साउथ, एंड माय फादर वाज इन आर्मी. When my father was in army, then from there he went, became an ex-serviceman, then he was in police department. We were in Hyderabad. My father had a very big family. उनके brother थे, sister थे, उनकी तो बड़ी, it is like a railway engine bogie समझिए. So he used to bring one by one, one by one. I'm not telling you right or wrong. His brothers, his sisters, but हमारा income छोटा था, and all the burden was on my mother. And I was the only son. For me, mother is a god. For any person, mother is a god. So I was seeing mute extension. My father is shouting at her. She is crying. My chachu is shouting at her. My chachu is beating her. Chachu beating her, matlab, only thing was he is from a village. He likes tons and tons of food, not what we eat. So of various misunderstanding was going, and I was a mute spectator. अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो? My mother used to cry, and she used to tell me, your father is torturing me. Your this one is torturing me. We'll go to God. मैंने बोला हाँ, go to God. 9 years. What do I know about God? God का मतलब I was thinking it's going to park or going and visiting some other auntie's house. So she took me to Hanumanji temple, and she took me around 7:30 in the night. Every day she used to tell, in the night she used to cry and sleep. I thought, okay, ऐसी बोलेगी. But one night she woke me up, 7 o'clock. There, she pushed me in that water tank. मेरा nostril दबा दिया, उनका nostril दबा दिया. Started pressing it. I बोले ये क्या है यार? What you are taking here? You told God, नहीं नहीं यहाँ से एक shortcut है. She slipped me. She fell, and I could not. I was choking up, and I was seeing my mother drowning there. I just started, and I came out, and as usual, the people, the temple pujari, he asked me what was it. Then I told SIS, sir. Then he told the bad name your mother is going to earn after her suicide. क्या कम होगा क्या? आपके पापा जी कम बोलेंगे, ज्यादा बोलेंगे? तो बैड नेम तो ज्यादा ही बोलेंगे, उसको कौन स्टॉप करेगा? तो मतलब हाँ, कोई nobody will stop that. Then in that case, please don't do that. Why are you doing this? You are dying to get good name to your brother. You are getting more bad name by committing suicide rather than by living. अभी दुनिया जो बोलेगी उसको आपको स्टॉप करना है ना. I told yes, I saw yes, the meaning in that. Then I'm so happy that you are a son. You are willing to die for your mother. But what about the mothers who doesn't have a son like you? तो मैं क्या करूं? आप उनको भी हेल्प करना है. तो मैं क्या करूं? फादर से क्या करूं? Cry, fight out with him, or tell him I will do any work for you. But see that you and your mother are separate, and you become a normal person. You learn, get a good name, then you take your mother separately. Why do you want to do this one? She's getting more bad name by this. अच्छा था, at that age I was 9. Some version, some good value somebody is telling. बोला थैंक यू. बोला कि God, you know why बजरंग बली आपको क्यों बचा? No, I believe in him. My mother believe. नहीं नहीं नहीं, आपको क्यों बचा? Because you have to help many such mothers, not one mother. हजारों माओं को आप हेल्प करना है. अपना हजारों करेंगे, लाखों करेंगे, वो जाके इमोशनल डायलॉग, करोड़ों को करेंगे. So this at that time I did not think that I'll become an engineer, I'll become a psychologist, I'll become a doctorate in NLP. No, it is a government syllabus. If you see now, I'm a grandfather, 64. I have grandsons, granddaughter. Abhi, they asked me, Tata, why that you are having so much patience? 4 घंटे, 3 घंटे counseling करते हो आप? You have so much patience. I always think that story goes there. That the word I gave to my mother. My mother told me one thing. I don't know whether I'm going to help or not. आपके life में जो लड़की आएगी, she should not cry. No lady should cry. I have cried enough. I don't want her. हाँ, yes करेंगे. So now I see always who are the clients who come to me. Most of my clients are NRIs. Okay, and NRI only because cultural relationship, and young couples. I say they are my mother and father's representatives. So this is how it started. And one more incident is I was working for Bell. There we used to recruit engineers and engineering graduates and IIM graduates. So our company is a very big company. You might have heard about them. 1 lakh employees are there, around 14 points. I was in Hyderabad. So this couple are like that. No, they are recruited for lifetime, 30 years. They have to grow in the organization. So वहाँ पे क्या है, हम लोग every year some 500 to 600 engineers को recruit करते थे, engineers MBA को, and उनको something like classroom training 1 साल. They will be a training department. I was heading the training department. I was in charge of them. I am the mother and father for them. People come from all the way. उनके mothers, fathers used to cry. Sir, first time my daughter non got out of the house, sir, not out of the village, sir. First time she has come from so far. So I don't worry about it. I will take care of it. So उसी तरह का it is something like my own children. And they grew up. then afterwards they get married, they get children. So I see एक 5 साल, every year we take new batch. And we had around 52 rooms. They have to be with me, leave letter or sanction or tour, anything they do. Sometimes they go and they do the good, bad, the ugly, movie देखते हैं, night जाते हैं, police station पकड़े जाते हैं. Then they call साहब डॉक्टर साहब ऐसा ऐसा हो गया. So I used to, when I help them in pain, वहां से हमारा relationship होता है. पहले नहीं होता है. पहले लेके कॉलेज, हाँ कैंपस है, अभी क्या करना है, व्हाट ही विल डू, ही विल गो ओनली मार्क्स. बट जब इमोशनल बॉन्ड ब्रेक होती है, व्हेन दे फील दे आर अवे फ्रॉम मदर फादर कॉट अप इन पुलिस स्टेशन, दे आर सीइंग बीइंग, दे आर सीइंग इंडल्जेंस, दे आर बीटिंग अदर्स, वहां पे स्केरिंग होता है. दे हैड अ शॉक ऑफ देयर लाइफ. एट द टाइम आई एम हेल्पिंग, वहां से शुरू होता है. सो वन इंसिडेंट वाज देयर where the girl was telling me, both are my students only, they got married. Sir, आपके स्टूडेंट को आप नहीं बोलते क्या? He is flirting with girls. बोला भाई आप, counseling is not telling advice, giving advice. Ma, you आप data के साथ आइए. You come to my cabin and give the complaint in front of your husband, then I will definitely talk to him.
So
She came.
basically, you have always focused on
Yes, marriage.
marital relationships more because
More on marital,
personal,
marital.
personal feeling about the marriage relationship. Whatever happened in your life, you saw, you observed as a child, and that created a greater impact on your mind, and that led you to counsel people about relationships.
Yeah,
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 that
yeah.
is
That is
a
what you have told
wonderful.
me.
It's quite a motivating thing that you have taken the cause of counseling people about their relationship, especially marital relationship,
Marital
that
relation.
creates a fabric of our society. So it's important. Can you share some case studies with us reflecting on this aspect of mental health? This aspect of mental health that you are catering to. Do you have any case studies?
No, what I'm about, I'm telling you a case only. The couple, what actually happened, the relationship is one of the aspects of mental health. All psychologists and psychiatrists can be called as mental health practitioners. अब ये this couple, what happened, the husband and wife, the girl came to my cabin and told everything. Then I asked the boy, "Hey, bhaiya, what is this? She's telling like this." I was a shock of my life, and that boy told me, "Sir, what is wrong in it? If she wants to let she also enjoy. I will supply friends to her." So
Just
बोला कि I will supply partner to her. Let she also do that. So typically, South Indian, sensitive girl, introvert, बहुत गुस्सा आया. I didn't expect that she will behave like that. That I'm only starting my career. वो थ्यू द बेबी ऑन माई टेबल, वो ग्लास में पटक दिया, उसका कॉलर पकड़ के खींचा, शॉक मारा, यहाँ पे हो गया, रोते रोते चले गए. She just went off. 2 days, 3 days over. I'm asking the boy, where is she? Sir, every time she is like this, sir. कभी रोती है, चले जाती है, कहीं I don't know all those things. Morally, मेरे रूम में वो है. अगर आप 1 घंटे में मुझे रिपोर्ट ना करें आपके वाइफ के बारे में, तो मैं आपको पुलिस स्टेशन में हैंड ओवर कर दूँ. Hey, no, sir, no, sir, no. What is the 3 days she is not there? She fought in my cabin, and that day what has happened, and you are happily playing volleyball. So immediately that went off. And the background kya hai? She went to her sister's house. She has purchased a rat poison. And luckily, sister was not there. Some marriage function was there. She is staying in that top, some big government quarters are there. Water tank is there. Water tank जो होता है ना, वहाँ पे रह के रो रही है daily. Then I told her, that is where I told, no, NLP. NLP, according to school of NLP, this Maya is a creative guy. There are 3 types of couples: creative couple, confirmative couple, and sensitive couple. Wife is sensitive. This guy is creative, यानी artistic type of, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बोलते हैं artistic type of people. नहीं, art का तो boundary नहीं होता है ना. Whatever it is art. So that artistic type of fellow, this fellow does little and he tells someone, मैंने वो किया, ये किया, ये किया. He has got, but he always exaggerates. And for that lady, it is like a she's a sponge, she will absorb. And for de-absorbing के लिए 6 महीने लगेगा उसको. It's very sensitive things about her. ऐसा होगा, ऐसा हो गया. Then he went in and told her, Doctor Saab aisa told me, I understood mental health, not that, all those things. And afterwards, she came back. And she told me, sir, had he come 1 hour late, you would have got my dead body. So that made me think, yes, I am a person who can change the life of person, life of couples, just giving such concepts. मैंने उसको कुछ भी नहीं किया. Not even counseling. I just updated him. His mind is like a computer now. We had to program. हमारी स्कूल ऑफ साइकोलॉजी पुरानी स्कूल ऑफ साइकोलॉजी नहीं है. ओल्ड स्कूल साइकोलॉजी ऑलवेज फाइंड ए डिफेक्ट. इफ अ पर्सन इज कमिंग, हाँ कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ, उसके लिए टेस्ट को भेजो, इसके लिए टेस्ट को भेजो. टेस्ट पेपर इतना पीएचडी बन जाएगा. पेशेंट मर जाएगा मगर रिपोर्ट रहेगा. कि हमारी स्कूल ऑफ साइकोलॉजी एनएलपी या पॉजिटिव साइकोलॉजी हम बोले कि भाई वाई की बात नहीं करते हैं, ये कैसे हुआ रश्मि जी बैठने वाले हैं, वो नो रश्मि ये मत बोलिए, आपको यहाँ जाना है कि नहीं, आई वांट टू गो, अभी आपको रास्ते कितने हैं, हाउ की बात करते हैं. We talk about the future, from here to future. That is why it's called, even though you call it counseling, it is not counseling, it's called coaching and mentoring. Now I take my clients, most of my clients are NRA, and morning 5 o'clock, they get up and they report on Zoom. We do the physical exercise, the mental exercise, emotional, spiritual exercise. So I take my clients, I choose my clients because it is not a question of money, it's a question of my money, pain, कितना pain है उसके life में. पेन है तो रिजल्ट आ गया. इफ आई एम हैविंग पेन आई विल नॉट बी टॉकिंग टू यू, आई विल बी रनिंग टू डॉक्टर. सो उसके पेन है, तड़प है, देन ओनली आई सिलेक्ट माय क्लाइंट. एंड दिस इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म 3 months. इट इज नॉट लाइक बिकॉज व्हाई काउंसलर्स आर हैविंग अ बैड नेम, यू नो रश्मि जी, बिकॉज दिस पीपल आर गिविंग ओनली एडवाइस. ऐसा कर लीजिए, वैसा कर लीजिए, ऐसा कर लीजिए. पर्सन इज अबाउट टू कमिट सुसाइड. व्हाट इज दैट जनरली, यू नो व्हाट साइकोलॉजिस्ट से, आपकी मम्मी के बारे में सोचा आपने, mommy will miss you, daddy will miss you. She knows everything. She knows everything, but mentally she is so much depressed. She is in her own world. So what is the use of talking about all your knowledge to a person who is already dying? If you cannot empathize, this model has to be revised. So what is the education system is having a big flaw, old, outdated syllabus, no application psychology, is only academic psychology. So that is where our school of psychology was, and result oriented. And every session, my clients has to do homework. Homework nahi hai, so I give them this is called a we meet diary. You know, we meet. I give a diary called we meeting. Husband and wife sit together in the night, take my principles and do one exercise. Result निकल के आ जाइए, वरना आए घर आके मेरे सामने आप role play कीजिए. I will correct that mistake, and we all will through three will come to a particular strategy. So that is how I have 25,000 couples. I have empowered them. Thank you.
So I feel that it is also necessary to be self-aware. Only when you're self-aware can you see what the other person is going through. Is it right?
Yeah. आप दिल की बात बोल रहे हो. यू आर सो सोच रहे हैं आके आप. यू आर टॉकिंग फ्रॉम योर हार्ट मैडम. योर स्टोरी एंड माय स्टोरी, इट इज गॉड हैज मेड मी फॉर दिस. उन्होंने ऐसा एक करेक्टर किया कि ऐसी माँ होगी, ऐसा बच्चा होगा, हनुमान जी के टेंपल में आके डूबोगे, वहां से शुरू कर. आई वुड हैव डाइड देयर. I would have taken more water, I would have finished there. But what makes me think differently? What makes me that 1 second how I went into, before going into the tank, I was something different. और डुबकी आने के बाद I am different. अगर ये ना होता तो लाइफ में चेंज नहीं आती. इसे लाइक यू नो दैट महात्मा गांधी जी भी कहते कि इफ अगर वो जो पोर्टर मुझे साउथ अफ्रीका में मुझे वहां से फेंक दिया ना होता, तो आई वुड नॉट गॉट इंडिपेंडेंस फॉर द कंट्री. दैट इज वेयर द चेंज टेक्स प्लेस.
Yeah. So NLP, would you like to highlight anything how NLP is beneficial to handle relationships?
Yeah, NLP is beneficial. I told एक ने बताया कि you know lot of concepts are there. एक मेरे life में what actually happened is I would call this NLP is nothing but, आपको ये बता दूँ, NLP is nothing but mind programming. It is where you think computer, mind is a computer. You have a keyboard, okay? You can call this as the software. You are having a keyboard. The keyboard or 5 senses, panchendriyas. If you know how to operate the keyboard, anything you can change into a script and descript. That is where NLP talks about. So NLP, your mind is having this one, you have to play with your senses. Okay, whatever I'm having is nothing but I'm feeling something about it. So that is where a lot of techniques are taught. And this has been taken from different school of psychology. It has been taken from hypnotherapy. It has been taken from gestalt therapy. It has been taken from Virginia Satir's family psychology. Yeah, so that model, practical part of the different school of psychology has been taken. It has been taught to us. I am a student of Richard Bandler, who's the pioneer of India. Then I started in NLP movement in India because it was in 1997 I learned that. At that time nobody knew about this word. I was simply went because that is something unique. कितना unique तो नहीं मालूम. But everybody told the miracle. Touch करे तो ये हो जाएगा, वो कर दिया, ये कर दिया. One fellow gave me a wrong advice. अरे तू NLP कर ले यार, दुनिया में वो नहीं है, ये नहीं है. मैं भी NLP कर लिया. तो मैं बोला अरे NLP क्या है? That is where the curiosity came out. Then afterward learning and all those things, then I thought अरे it's very good. But can I implement? Because afterwards I'm telling pre-Google days. जब Google नहीं था, internet नहीं था.
Right.
So अभी जब भी हमने क्या अभी तो कभी जो भी टेक्निक है, let me, I was a member of that practitioners group. I used to do the meeting of my colleagues every week. I think I was a very few sincere group where we used to do on each other experiments.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay.
हाँ, वहां से शुरू हमारा प्रैक्टिस। वन मोर थिंग, मैंने बोला ये तो बट इट शुड वर्क नो, गुरु फ्रेंड के तो हो गया, क्या ना अप्लाई फॉर था। मैंने सेंट्रल जेल में जाके आई हैड अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ गोइंग टू सेंट्रल जेल, एक कमिश्नर से आए थे, देन आई टोल्ड आई वुड लाइक टू डू अ प्रोजेक्ट विद द सेंट्रल जेल पीपल। तो एक behavioral, because what actually happened is these inmates, they had certain pain in their life, the way they were dragged in the court, the way they were put into that particular problem. So ये painful incident है, they were not able to sleep, sleeping disorder, and there was not much, तो उसके लिए ये शुरू किया, और 400 prisoners I went and created an awareness, then a few took a sample, and that is where I made was successful. Then I got the confidence, अरे यार I can do on anybody. That is
Okay.
what I am teaching to others. That is got my PhD certificate भी वहीं से मिला मुझे. I have whatever it NLP PhD है मेरा. So
Okay.
that gave me a lot of confidence in me. NLP is nothing but I would say is a 100% रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड साइकोलॉजी, मैथमेटिकल साइकोलॉजी। यहाँ पे मैं मेजर नहीं करता हूँ, आई उसे 200%, क्यों बोलते मेरी क्लाइंट मेजर कर रहा है, एवरी डे इज राइटिंग द राइट डायरी, ही इज मेजरिंग, ही इज इम्प्रूविंग।
Yeah. Of what I've seen through your career, you basically had a lot of practical knowledge. That's why you are able to impact people's lives on a much larger scale.
जी
So,
जी जी जी,
so
दैट इज
why have relationships in today's world become so transient? हमारा social media है, हम लोग social media के through लोगों को connect कर सकते हैं, पर वो connection टिकता नहीं है. People don't hold on to relationship. There is some gap, they break off. Relationships last for very small period of time, and people just disconnect themselves. This connecting and disconnecting is happen so frequently. Everything is transient. Kuch, see, nature is transient. So, but there is no permanence and there is no bonding happening in relationships today. So, would you want to reflect on this?
हाँ, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू ना मैडम, मैंने पहले बताया था ना, सी द पॉइंट इज अभी व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग इन अ ट्रेन, ऑल आर आवर फ्रेंड्स, देयर कंपेनियंस, अपने अपने जर्नी में उतर जाते हैं वो लोग, दे कैन नॉट बी योर लाइफ लॉन्ग पार्टनर,
Yeah.
ओनली the person whom you can expect is the person who is giving something for you. See, आप में मेरे में क्या connection है, देखिए मैंने कहा मैडम जी ने, you have seen that emotional bond, no, आपकी स्टोरी मेरी स्टोरी में, so there is some relationship bond is there. वो bond अगर miss होगा तो with the people, and moreover अभी मैंने बताया था ना, the Android generation, no, the mobile generation, for
Yeah.
everything they are having an app. क्या करते हैं, हर एक को प्रेस कर लेते हैं, दे गेट बटन चाहिए, मटन चाहिए, गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए, गर्लफ्रेंड का प्रपोजल भी नहीं है, बटन दबाइए गर्लफ्रेंड निकल गई उसको।
Yeah.
तो ये हमारे आपके पीरियड में आई टू वेट फॉर माय गर्लफ्रेंड, अरे मैं लेटर दिया गया नहीं गया, अरे यार whether fellow is given or not, whether she has opened that or not, see that was anxiety to get a contact। अभी क्या है, मिल गया, let's come on we'll chat। ग्रेटिफिकेशन, ग्रेटिफिकेशन ये ना सेटिस्फैक्शन जो दिल के लिए होता है, व्हेन इट अपील्स टू योर हार्ट इट्स कॉल्ड सेटिस्फैक्शन, व्हेन अपील टू योर सेंसेस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेटिफिकेशन। ए इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन जनरेशन, दे ओनली वांट इमीडिएट ग्रेटिफिकेशन। अभी आप देखिए ना, अभी एक टीवी प्रोग्राम ले लीजिए, और तो टीवी प्रोग्राम, अरे दिस फेलो कम्स एंड एंटर्स, एंटरिंग के लिए उसको एक क्लैप आता है, अरे जोक मार दिया उसके लिए, नीचे गिर गया उसको भी क्लैप मारते हैं। So where is that you are giving marks? What is the effort that fellows put to get that marks? What is that recognition? So that is where you are addiction. This is called an addiction, dopamine addiction. They
Hmm.
everything like near the suicide मार दिया. I got a client who telling sir, yeah, why you attempted suicide? Sir, मुझे likes नहीं आया sir. How do you expect other fellows should like you? What is that you have done?
But why is there so much of craving of, there is always a craving of being wanted and appreciated. But there's so much of madness about being wanted on the social media, being recognized on social media. Don't you think that it affects your mental health in a big way?
मैडम, मेरे अच्छे के बुरे के कारण कौन है? मेरी माता जी है, हाँ, दिलीप कुमार जी है, राज कपूर जी है, इसके सिवा कोई भी नहीं है मेरे लाइफ में। समझे? ऑल गुड बैड आई लर्न फ्रॉम दिलीप कुमार, राज कपूर. उनके लिए कितने मॉडल है, अपने मॉडल हमारे जमाने में कितने मॉडल थे. इवन इफ आई सर्च आई कैन नॉट गेट एनी मॉडल.
Okay, okay.
यहाँ पे एवरी फेलो इज द किंग. फेसबुक ओपन कर लीजिए, एवरी फेलो क्लेम ही इज द किंग. मैंने वो कर दिया, ये कर दिया, ये कर दिया. सो व्हाट विल इट, एंड मोर ओवर हु इज आई वुड से, आप बुरा ना मानना मैडम, मदर इज द नंबर वन रीजन. Mother, if mother university is wrong, life university is wrong.
Well
I
said.
always tell, see,
Yes.
that boy, Rashmi ji, what is the youngest age of the dad in the world? Any guess? Can you guess?
No.
13 years.
Oh.
Why can't it happen here in my family? Why can't happen in your family? Because mother has not taken care. Social media is always there. It will corrupt. It is always there. If the mother is there, if she's taken care of that, I will tell my own grandson's example. I know like TV media, social media. This was also addicted to that cube or cubicle, हो ना? ऐसे cube करते हैं, केक करते हैं, square cube, then games. Then we were also worried about it, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. Then I told him, you observe which area he is good. उसको आप hot. I gave a suggestion as an expert. Whichever area is good, convert that into a hobby. So this fellow was only playing that battle wala, pistol wala games. Then he is having. Then उसको rifle shooting में डाल दो. So my son-in-law put him in the rifle sports. He was not eligible for that, but we requested him, sir, he will be eligible at the age of 12 or something. He's 8. But with 3 saal, let him do only practice. Because when he goes at the age of the minimum entry, he will be the star of the show. So हमने 3 साल पहले उनके प्लस पॉइंट देखी, वहां पे इन्वेस्ट किया. Now that fellow is even though he is not eligible, he is the star of the group. So that you can, I'll tell you now, mother and father may a very, very different role. If mother and father are not educated, not willing to get educated, then you are postponing your child's future. क्या करते हो? I will tell you another example. अभी recently यहाँ पे हुआ था कि couple, they got married, they were in love with each other, and they started their life in a new apartment. Whenever somebody used to knock the door, this guy was scared. The lady बोलते आप क्यों डर रहे हो? No, it's like this. I don't want any person to knock the door. Gas man, cylinder man, water tank wala. I don't want anybody else. And afterwards, one day what happened is our association president, some 13, 14 people, 16, 17 came there. I talked to her, Vinayak Chavati ke baat kiya, madam baat kiya, chai pila, ye khilaya. And she was trying to get the husband. Husband was running in the corner of the room. Then when afterward all the people are gone, he went and no one to tell the husband, aisa hua tha. Oh, this guy is crying. बोले क्यों, क्या हुआ? Did I tell anything? No, आपने कुछ नहीं किया. I'm only scared. Some 15, 16 gents are there. You are only एक lady है. आपका कुछ होगा तो मैं क्या करूँगा? Then why did you not walk in? नहीं, मुझे डर लग रहा है. अरे they are all our family members भाई. Apartment वाले हैं. Daily we have to see each other. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Then this fellow made his own story. No, I will sell the apartment and I want an apartment where nobody is disturbance. I will sell the apartment, I'll buy a new apartment. अभी ऐसा नहीं होता है कहीं पे. Already मैंने EMI में खरीदा है. And I will do that. So pack off हो गए. He forcibly packed off. The girl went to mother's house. This guy went to father's house. 1 महीना, 2 महीना, 6 महीना हो गया. Then what happened? The parents, who started mentoring, शुरू कर दिया counseling. वहाँ पे girl side counseling, mother side counseling. When this girl, what she did, she directly talked to the father-in-law. Father-in-law को पूरा समझा ऐसा ऐसा कर रहा है. Father-in-law क्या बोला? बस इतना ही. Such a small thing you cannot adjust. I'm adjusting with your auntie, Attamma, for the last 20 years. She's also very introvert. She's also scared. And I am taking care of her. You should take a husband like this. So she told me, uncle, you're right. I don't want a baby. I want a husband. I don't want a baby. I have to start my career. I want to become something in ambition. The husband doesn't support me. पहले से पहले am I come here to take care of your son? I want a husband. I don't want a baby. So यहाँ पे क्या है, blueprint अगर आप देखेंगे तो mother's blueprint has come to the son. समझे रश्मि जी? The mother's blueprint comes. And if you don't rectify this, one more generation will become a victim. You are because you are not updating yourself. Even though there is a signal, you are psychologically disturbed, Mother are not willing, father is not willing, nobody is willing, and as a result, you're postponing the marriage. Whether this lady or not, who the lady comes in this person's life will be doing the same thing.
Same thing.
So वहाँ पे क्या है, what I tell you ना, updating is a must. It is like as your mobile को आप ले रहे हैं, every 1 year you are forced to change your mobile because the old version is gone. Now you have to update yourself. You are in a knowledge generation. अगर update नहीं करेंगे तो outdate हो जाएंगे. नहीं बच्चे को मालूम है ना, school boy नो अरे मेरी मम्मी को गोल फिराना आता है यार, don't worry about it. I know all this. Daddy को I know how to make him गोल फिराना because he is learning from his schoolmates, classmates. So updation is a must. Knowledge, updating, reading books, okay, and attending workshops, webinars. You are a knowledge society where knowledge is becoming your tool. If it is not your tool, it is the tool of your children hand. He will play. Whoever is having the tool, जिसके हाथ में जो चाकू है ना, वही powerful रहेगा. Okay, he can make that. He can use it for surgery. He can also use it for killing somebody.
Yeah, true, true, true. That was a wonderful and insightful discussion. You would like to make any passing remark, the concluding remark?
Concluding remark is like this, madam. The point is, I always tell my clients always they get up in the morning. Discipline is a must. Pain is a must for life. अगर pain नहीं रही, तो gain नहीं रहेगा. Okay, and I always tell like if I want to change the visible, I have to change the invisible. अभी समझो कि डाइनिंग टेबल में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, उसको कहाँ पे सॉल्व करना है? डाइनिंग टेबल में if I shout at my wife or at my daughter-in-law, it will not be solved. I have to go to the kitchen table and tell them, भाई इस चटनी में नमक ज़्यादा है. She will put some curd or she will make that. I have to go to the back end, not at the front end.
Okay.
Okay. So similarly, if I have to change something visible, I have to change the invisible. Okay. Thinking leads to my feeling. Feeling leads to my action. Action leads to my results. If I have to change my result, I have to change my action. If I have to change my action, I have to change my thinking. If I have to change my thinking, this is my thinking box. How can I change the thinking box? Only two methods. One is reading books or attending, go to a consultant, go to a mentor, or just have one uncle or auntie who's 5 or 10 years elder to you. यहाँ पे क्या है? This generation, they are born in Noida, they are working in Bangalore. No mother, no father, away from their culture. The same way, she was a person born in Hyderabad, he is working somewhere in Ahmedabad. Because they are away from the parents, they cannot share many things. अभी मैं जो client बताया था ना, she came to me because she cannot share with the mother and father. Mother क्या सोचेंगी, father क्या
सोचेंगी? Certain void in the life. There is certain missing factor from an elder member of the family, from a mentor. And I think so to a great extent, when you sit, we are all running all the time. We are chasing a lot of things. We're chasing a lot of things. So when you sit and you pause and you think what exactly you want to do is where your journey really starts. So the more far you want to go in your journey, the more insight and some pausing and some thinking is so necessary. So necessary.
So you have to update. यहाँ पे update करना है. You have nothing, no other option, but you have to read. You cannot say I don't have time. Mothers cannot say TV serial देखते हैं, इतनी chit chatting करते हैं, थोड़ा सा अपने improvement के लिए, अपने बच्चे के लिए. If you can at least know, you can guide them better. If you yourself don't know, that fellow, उसके हाथ में डोर है, वो जहाँ खींचेगा आप ही जाएगा.
Okay. That's how we come to the end of the discussion, and it has been lovely talking to you, Dr. P.T. Sundaram.
Thank you. Thank you.
We just hope that you keep on doing this wonderful work, that your contribution to the society is, I think, so unparalleled. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. मुझे आपसे help चाहिए. My mission is to help 1.1 million couples, young couples. That is where I am working. You can help me, and the listeners also can help me directly or indirectly. You can go to my website, come for a free webinar. You can participate whatever the way you want, by referring or by becoming one of my students. And I welcome all of you. Thank you very much, Rashmi ji, for giving this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Really, I am moved by your own story. That is one bond which I have with you. See, we are all chosen by God. Chosen by God. We are here doing something which God-given mission. We are not doing something for the sake of others.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm always there with you. You're always there with me.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.